Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So this is your Walgreens preview for the week of August the 10th to the 16th. Over at Walgreens, we have that massive thing of hand soap for $1.99, Garnier shampoo for 99 cents. It is going to be an absolutely terrific week over at Walgreens. So on Wednesday, a lot of us got a 12 back when you spend 60. Make sure that you load those stackable with the paper booster. It's always your mileage may vary, but definitely one that you should load along with that 7 off 1. So double, triple check if you might have the same boosters as I. I got them on both mine and my husband's card, so really fantastic. Please treat this video as a preview. The full ad along with all of the digital coupons will be published on Sunday the 10th. So just keep that in mind. This is just a preview. Because you guys are so awesome, if you could possibly give my video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, I would be so grateful. It really helps out the channel if you could take a second and like the video. Okay, so yesterday I made a video about finding 200 pennies. This is just like they call it a penny clean out. It happens a couple times a year where it's like 200 plus penny items at the Dollar General. It's like fishing at a trout farm. You might want to check this video if you have a little bit of free time this weekend. Go to the Dollar General, go to the clearance section and look for some of this stuff. I found so much stuff, even like 4 o'clock on Friday. I was just finding stuff left, right, and center. I'll link this video at the very end. Okay, so looking at the flyer, lots of soda deals and buy one, get one free on the Arm & Hammer and the Gatorade 3 for $5 if you like Gatorade. But we're going to hop right into it with the Garnier Fructis at $3.99. $3 reward when you buy 2 with a 3 off 2 digital coupon. Fructis and whole blends, 2 different lines of the shampoo. If you want to do this deal twice with the Fructis and whole blends, 2 separate transactions as that register reward will only print once per transaction. Grabbing 2 of the Fructis for $7.98. Subtracting your digital coupon, you'll pay $4.98. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $1.98 for the 2 or 99 cents per shampoo. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, but 99 cents, that is a stock-up price for this shampoo. I know a lot of us really enjoy it, so this is one I'm definitely throwing on the list. Another great cheap shampoo deal is the Tresemme for $6. 5 off 2 digital coupon along with a $5 reward when you purchase 2. Very basic deal, grabbing 2 of the Tresemmes for $12. Subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $7. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $2 for 2 or $1 per Tresemme. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. As this is part of the Unilever family, photograph that receipt to the Fetch Rewards app. You might get a little something back. Buy one, get one 50% off on the Dove men's deodorant and hair care. $10 reward when you purchase 4. Currently, a lot of us have a 4 off 4 digital coupon. So grabbing 4 of the Dove shampoos, that'll be $19.46. Subtracting that 4 off of 4, you're going to pay $15.47 out of pocket. Get back a $10 register reward. The final price point here is $5.47 for the 4 or $1.36 per shampoo. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. And we have the Crest deal back, the Crest or Oral-B products at $3.50, $5 reward when you purchase 3, and a 5 off 3 digital coupon. Grabbing 3 of them for $10.50, subtracting your digital coupon, you'll pay $5.50, get back a $5 register reward, making it 50 cents for the 3 or 16 cents per product. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Now, this deal I absolutely love on the $5 Hello Toothpaste. $5 reward when you purchase 2, and we currently have a 4 off a 2 digital coupon that's attaching. So this is just a really basic deal. Grabbing 2 of these, it's going to be 10. Subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay 6. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per Hello Toothpaste. This is a brand we barely get deals on for both the kids and the adults. Make a deal happen. Again, you're doing this deal with no booster. Yes, you can use Walgreens cash. Pay it down to earn that register reward. A big if, but if the soft soap hand soap is included, I know it says bath care, but sometimes that big jug of hand soap is $5.99, part of this promotion. IBOTTA has a $2 rebate to go with this, so it makes the deal really fantastic. So grabbing one of these refills for $5.99, subtracting a $2 digital, you'll pay $3.99. Photograph your receipt to IBOTTA for $2 back. Final price point here is $1.99. That's a really good deal. And again, you can use Walgreens cash to pay this down if you're doing this deal with no booster. Okay, the next deal that we're looking at, it's my favorite. It's a toilet paper deal. We're going to grab 3 of these for $12. We have $1.50 off of 3, $3 reward when you purchase 3. So 3 of these Angel Softs will be $12. Subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $10.50. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $7.50 for the 3 or $2.50 per unit. That's a very good price point. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. And also, I would absolutely check IBOTTA if there might be a rebate for this, because sometimes there are rebates for Angel Soft. The Venus and Gillette shave needs, we're going to go with 2 disposable razors, one for $11-ish, and then like the lady one for $8.99 or $9.99. It's buy one, get one 50% off. And hopefully we have a $3 for the men's and a $3 for the women. $5 reward when you spend $15. So grabbing a mix of them for $16.23, subtracting 2 $3 digitals, you'll pay $10.23 out of pocket. Get back a $5 register reward for spending $15. It makes it $5.23 for the 2 or $2.61 per razor. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. This deal is fantastic. The $7 Olay or Old Spice body wash liquid. $8 reward when you purchase 3 with a 5 off 3 digital coupon. Grabbing 3 of the Olay liquid body washes, that's $21. Subtracting your 5 off 3, you're going to pay $16. Get back an $8 register reward, making it $8 for the 3 or $2.66 per body wash. And this is Olay, so that's a great price point. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Moving it along, guys, we have the P&G cleaning products at $4.99 and $5.99. Grabbing a mix of them at $4.99 and $5.99, 2 of each. $2 reward when you purchase 4. So 4 of these products will be $21.96. Now, some of them have $2 and then $3 digitals. Load all of them. That's $9 coming off. You'll pay $21.96. Get back a $2 register reward, making it $10.96 for the 2 or $2.47 per product. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Now, there's a lot of noise about P&G raising their prices, and it's still $5.49 at Walgreens, but $2 reward when you purchase 4 instead of a $5 reward when you purchase 4. So is this the concession? I'm still kind of confused and scratching my head, but it's better than a price increase, that's for sure, especially if you're going to throw it in a booster deal. We have 3 for $5 with these different Walgreens candies. And it's looking like some of the Halloween stuff is out. So if you wanted to try it or, a fun little thing for your kids, I mean, it's not a bad price point. Buy one, get one free. Double, triple check if your IBOTTA has a rebate for either the pods or the liquid. They are of the larger size on my account, but is yours like a 14 count for the pods and the smaller liquid? This could possibly be a tremendous deal for you. I just can't line it up with my IBOTTA right now. And we also have $2.99 for the Lay's potato chips. Yes, please, and thank you so much. We also have the cheap Walgreens medium or small bags on a buy one, get 2 for free. It's like $4.99 for the 3. Really good price point, like $1 and some change per. And then this, buy one, get 2 for free on the complete home food storage bags. They should make that longer. It makes it 93 cents per unit, which is also a stock up price. That's it for this video. Dollar General video linked right here if you wish to go out to the store today and find some pennies. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.